हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम इन टुडेज क्लास. टुडे we are studying standard 10th chapter number 8, introduction of trigonometry. This is the second lecture on this period, this topic. Last period we was discuss basic functions: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, and depend on this we will solve exercise 8.1. Now today we learn trigonometric angles, that trigonometric ratio of some specific angle. In standard 10th we have only 5 angles, that is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then what are the values of these angles having basic functions, that is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot? So this is a table 8.1 that gives all values. These values come from triangles also, because it's a trigonometry, and all the values come from triangle 30, 60 and 45. It has a proof how to find it, and 0 and 90 also. We are going to just learn these values, how to make these triangles, how to make these tables using these values. So we are just doing to make the table. So first we make it, write it, angles. How many angles are there? First is 0, 30 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree and then 90 degree. Now when you learn, just do it what? Just arrange it, the values, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first do what? We can just write the numbers. Then divide each term by 4. Divide each term by 4. And take a square root. What is the answer? 0 by 4, that is 0. Square root of 0, 0. Then 1 by 4, that is square root of 1, 1. Square root of 4, this is 2. Yes, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means what? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That which is what? 1 by root 2. This is square root of 3, root of 3. Square root of 4, which is 2. 4 by 4 get cancelled, remaining 1. Under root of 1, this is 1. Then this is the values of sine angle, sine of theta or sine of A. Then sine of A, sine of 0, answer 0. Sine of 30, answer 1 by 2. Sine of 45, answer 1 by root 2. Sine of 60, answer root 3 by 2. And sine of 90, the answer is 1. It is very simple to understand, to make a table. What we do? Just write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide each term by 4, 4, 4, 4 and take a square root. Get the answer. Now this is a sine. Write all numbers in reverse form. That is, first write here 1. Then root 3 by 2, write here root 3 by 2. Then 1 by root 2, then 1 by root 2. Then 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then 0, then 0. So all sine angles write in reverse form. So this is an cos of angle. That cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Now you know that the formula, it is what? Tan theta, tan of A. Then tan of A is equals to what? Sin A upon cos A. That is the formula. Then just divide it. 0 by 1, answer is 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. What remaining? 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, all cancel, remaining 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled, remaining root 3 by 1 means what? Simply root 3. 1 by 0, now denominator is 0, so it is what? Not defined. Because denominator means 0, not allowed. So this is then not defined. We are making all three basic angles. Now next is what? Sine. So it is what? Cosec. As we know, cosec equals to what? 1 by sine A. That is, cosec is a inverse of sine. Then write here what? Just reverse or inverse of sine. That first is what? This is 0. 0 by, यहाँ पे denominator 1 है. So that 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. Then 1 by 2, reverse of 2 by 1. Then that is 2 by 1 means what? Simply 2. Then 1 by root 2, that is simply root 2 by 1. 2 by root 3 by 2, that is what? 2 by root 3. It is 1 by 1, simply answer 1. Same as sec A. Sec A is equal to what? 1 by cos A. Then we can write here what? Reverse of cos. Then 1 by 1, it is 1. Root 3 by 2, we can write 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2, we can write root 2. Then 1 by 2, we can write simply 2 by 1. And 0 by 1, that is 1 by 0. So this is what again? Not defined. Same as cot. What is cot? Cot is again 1 by tan. It is reverse of tan. Then just write here. What is tan 0? So 0 by 1 is 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. Denominator of 0, this is not allowed. That is infinity. 1 by root 3, that is simply root 3. 1 by 1, it is simply 1. Root 3 by 1, that is 1 by root 3. And not defined, that is what? Infinity by 1, that is equals to 0. So this is a table you can easily make using what? That angles 0, 30, 45, then 60 and then 90. Just do it. It's a simple way and make it the whole table. Using this table, we can solve exercise 8.2. Very simple exercise. Just you have to know that all the table and all the values and just put up the values. This is very simple exercise. Let me do this exercise 8.2. Here the first example is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. You know that all the values of sin 60, cos 30, sin 30 and cos 60. The values are here. Sin of 60, that is root 3 by 2. Sin of 30, it is 1 by 2. Cos of 30, that is root 3 by 2. And cos of 60, that is what? 1 by 2. We just put up in this example. So I am putting that values. Sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equals to again root 3 by 2. Sin 30, it is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Solve this. That root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 2 into 2, that is 4. Plus 1 into 1, that is 1 upon 4. That 3 plus 1 taking combined by the denominator is same. Then 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4. Answer is 1. Is it simple? Yes. If you know that the values of angles, then you can easily solve all the exercise at 8.2. The second example is same as number 2, that 2 tan square 45. So second example is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. You can write here what? This 2 tan 45 whole square plus cos 30 whole square minus sin 60 whole square. This is the same meaning of this way. Sine 60 whole square means what? Sine square 60. Then put up the value on using the table. That tan 45 is equals to what? 1. So this is then 1 square. Then cos 30, it is what? Root 3 by 2, that whole square, minus sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Then it is simply root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus, it is again now cancel. So I just root cancel it. Then what? 2 into 1 square is 1. Answer is simply 2. And this is the final answer. It is very simple to do this, but just you know that the values, exactly values. Next, number 3 is cos 45 degree upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. Just put up the values cos 45, sec 30 and cos 30. You can solve easily. Same number 4 is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 cos 60 and cot 40. Put up the value of sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60 upon put up the value of sec 30, cos 60 and cot 45 and just solve it easily. Number 5 we will solve by paper, that 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Just we can solve on the paper, that example number 5. These examples you can write here what? 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. You can write here what? Cos 60 whole square plus 4 of sec 30 whole square minus tan 45 whole square upon sin 30 whole square plus cos of 30 whole square. Now put up the value of cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? That is simply 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. You can put up here. Then sec 30. That value of sec 30 is simply 1. 2 by root 3. Then tan 45 is 1. Sin 30 it is simply 1 by 2 and cos 30 it is root 3 by 2. You can put up this way. So we can just put up, then solve. 1 by 2 square is what? 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 square, that is 4 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 square, that is again 3 by 4. Simplify it. 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 upon, it is what? 1 plus 3 by 4. Then solve. It is equals to what? 5 by 4 we can write here 15 by 12. 16 by 3 we can write 64 by 12. Then minus 1, that is we can write 12 by 12. That is LCM is same. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Then take a 12 is common, that is 1 by 12. 15 plus 64 minus 12. Just solve 15 minus 12, that is 3. 3 plus 64, that is answer is 67 by 12. This is their final answer. That 8.2 first question is completed. Same as number 2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. You can just put up the value of tan 30, that is what? 1 by root 3. Tan square 30, that is 1 by root 3 whole square. Then solve it. The solve answer becomes root 3 by 2. What is root 3 by 2 value is? It is in sin 60. So option A is the correct answer. Same doing that. Second number, 1 minus tan square 45. 1 minus tan 45 is 1. 1 minus 1 square is 0. 1 plus tan square 45, that is 1 plus 1, 2. 0 by 2, the answer becomes 0. What is the value of 0? That option number D. Hence the section 2, question 2, and example number 2, option is D, that is 0. Number 2, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when, अब बोलिए sin 2a की वैल्यू 2 sin a कब होगी? जब sin 0, what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. तो option A, it is clearly correct है. That is sin 2a, we can put up at 0, then this statement is true. When sin 30, this statement is not true. Obviously 45 and 60, this is not true, only for 0. Next, number 4, that's 2 tan square, 2 tan 30 minus 1 minus upon 1 minus tan square 30. Then it is again solve, put out the value of sin 30, same as here. The answer becomes what? The answer is in root 3. So root 3 value, which is the correct answer? That cos 60 is correct? No. Sin 60? No. Tan 30? Yes. Tan 60, that is root 3 is the correct answer. So what? Option C is the correct answer. So everyone, you can just put up the values, solve and take the or choose the correct option. Same number 3, that if tan a plus b is equals to root 3 and tan a minus b is equals to 1 by root 3. Obviously a plus b is an acute, a is greater than b, find the value of a and b. Solve it. As tan a plus b is equal to root 3, then root 3 कब आता है टेबल में? That is tan of 60. Then answer is what? Tan of 60. Then 1 by root 3 कब आता है टेबल में? That is what? Tan of root of 1 by root 3. Its answer is what? Tan 30. Then you can write here what? Tan a plus b is equals to tan 60 and tan a minus b is equals to what? Tan 30. Then using this, that tan a plus b value is tan 60, means what? A plus b is equals to 60 and a minus b is equals to 30. Equation number 1, equation number 2, solve this, add this, then what? A plus a, twice a, plus b minus b, cancel, then 60 plus, that is 0, and 60 plus 30 is 90. Then a is equals to what? 90 by 2. 2 is shifting on that side. Then that equals to what? A is equals to 45. Then a is equals to 45. What is the value of b? As a plus b is equals to 60 by 1. Now put up the value of a. 45 plus b is equals to 60. What is the value of b? B is equals to 15. When we shift in that 45 here, the answer becomes 60 minus 45, that is 15. So this is then correct answer. A is equals to 45 and b is equals to 15. The last question, that statement A, state whether the following function or following statement true or false. जस्टिफाई योर आंसर. साइन ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू साइन ए प्लस साइन बी. ऐसा होता है? अगर साइन ए और बी की एडिशन हो तो साइन ए की और साइन बी की एडिशन हो ही ना. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. आप ये कर सकते हो. 30 प्लस 60, दैट इज साइन 30 की वैल्यू, इट्स आंसर इज व्हाट? 1 by 2. साइन 60 की वैल्यू, दैट इज रूट 3 by 2. 1 by 2 और रूट 3 by 2 की वैल्यू आंसर रहता है 1 by रूट 3 by 2. बट 30 प्लस 60 90, साइन 90 इज 1. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू. ये आप घर पे कर पाओगे. देन साइन थीटा इंक्रीजेस, थीटा इंक्रीजेस. आपको क्लियरली पता है दैट साइन की वैल्यू 0 से लेके 90 तक, तो 0 से लेके 1 तक होता है. एज थीटा इंक्रीजेस, साइन ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. हेन द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. देन द वैल्यू साइन कॉस थीटा इंक्रीजेस एज थीटा इंक्रीजेस. चेक इट. कॉस थीटा here 0 to 90, but here is decreases. The value is decreases as cos is decreases as theta or angle is increases. So third option is false. That is false. Then sin theta equals to cos theta for all values of theta. No, both are different. Sin theta and cos theta are different. Check here. Here sin theta is for 0. It is 0, or for 0 it is 1. Both are different. Here is again different, but for 45 degree they are equal. So if sin theta and cos theta are equal, only for 45, otherwise it is false. Then cot theta is not defined for a equals to 0. Check it. Cot theta for 0 it is not defined, and hence it is true. So it is true. Here we are completed 8.2 exercise for the trigonometric ratio for some specific angles. It is very simple exercise. You can do easily well. Just make the table, learn the all values and put up the values, just solve it. This is a very simple exercise that 8.2 it will be finished. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.